Good morning, good morning, good morning. Looks like we have our book maps working. All right, cool. Excuse me. I think I'm going to be taking a long pretty soon. Looks like we'll be able to get that. Unless we're going to get a break of structure here, but I don't think so. Gonna have to reject here. Look for the rejection here to come down some more. If you guys are looking to take a short, this probably would be a nice little quick scalp going short till we get down to this area down here. There is a fair value gap down below that we can look for, but I wouldn't take it. I'm looking to go long. Short. Boom. It's just so you have it respects it though. You can't really like call it as you see it. Okay. Oops. Yep, rejected that.
Hello.
What it do? What it do?
What's up, bro?
How you doing?
Not much, man. You taking some trades?
You
Oh,
are?
I was in that short right here. That's trying to happen, but it was just too wicky, man. I think I'm just gonna wait for FOMC.
Got it. Yeah, I'm probably gonna take a long. I'm just waiting for this thing to come down, but it still hasn't really came into my areas yet.
Yeah. Yeah, my system was saying like short it, at 113 area, but this thing is moving crazy, It's not like something you can just short normally. Like I shorted on some accounts and took like some quick profits for like 200 if I need to like lock out the day, for Top Step. But
Yeah.
yeah, what do you think is gonna happen during FOMC?
I think it's gonna probably be like a neutral because the fact that FOMC could possibly bring it down. But at the same time, since Trump now is in office, I feel like the market wants to go up as well.
Oh yeah.
So I feel like it's gonna probably be like in between. We'll have probably both moves happen. We'll probably have a short move that will happen, and then we'll have a bounce. But overall, I'm trying to figure out like exactly which area we'll see first, or I don't. Let me see, because I want to look at. I'm gonna look at. Let's see, look at look at the hourly chart real quick. Yeah, we don't really have much of a move, like an area that liquidity is sitting at.
Right.
Because everything has just been like gradually going up and then like a big push up. So I don't really wouldn't say that there's like a area of liquidity really sitting, other than it would be like down here at like 2600 and some change, maybe like some change. But that's still like a far ass move to the downside. That's like over a 500 point move. So I wouldn't say that I would be looking for something for that. I feel like we'll probably be seeing it come down maybe to like honestly, I feel like the move we'll probably get like a short move to the downside before the FOMC comes out, and then we'll probably get a pop eventually, like during that process. But I really don't know where liquidity is really sitting at on the hourly.
Right.
And daily, we're just ripping, like 3 days straight of just ripping. So it's kind of hard to really say that
Yeah.
liquidity is really resting in an area of.
Yeah. No, that can be pretty hard to trade. I think short term though, I think what they're looking for is here. Let me see if I can show you real quick.
Yeah, let's go ahead.
What I'm looking at short term. See if I can share my screen.
Yeah, you can. Let me. Once you do so, I'll open up. What's up, AJ? I know your mic is muted, but what's up, bro?
What are you seeing right now?
I see your 30-minute on Nasdaq.
Oh, 30 minutes. Okay, so that's the other screen. Hold on, let me. And you got like a bunch of monitors.
Yeah,
It's
I
like
got
picking
I got 3 monitors up right now.
Yeah. Let me change windows.
I feel like we probably get the shirt right now. You probably get that shirt that you wanted right now. I feel like it's just trying to grab for some liquidity to the upside a little bit, but I feel like unless it respects its 1 minute fair value gap, but I feel like you might get that shirt that you wanted. All right, yeah, I see your game plan. Okay, I see the charts. Okay, I see your charts.
When it keeps going, yeah, when it keeps going to the one thing, when it keeps going to like, pushing back on every pull, it's like, no point in like really trying to get that short.
Yeah, I feel you on that one.
If it's just like trying to do directional movement. But my system said there might be a short like later today. I think after 12 p.m. Once I get the next 6-hour candle, because you see like right here.
Oh yeah.
This area right here, 15. I think they might try to target that right before FOMC. Maybe it would be like a slow, painful grind up to here, to the 215.
I was looking at that this morning as well.
Yeah, and then once they get it up there, then they just kind of switch it up on everyone for FOMC.
Yeah, so that's what I was feeling like. We would probably reach those levels. I'm just waiting to see if it's this small little 1 minute. I think it's going to be on the 5 minute. We'll see that bounce once we get into that 5 minute fair value gap, or 15-minute fair value gap. Sorry. And then we'll probably rip up, sweep highs, and then gradually get up to that level that you mentioned, and then we'll probably see eventually.
Wait, which fair value gap are you talking about? Let me look at yours.
Right here. This one, or we can probably see a fair value for this fair value gap down here. But honestly, I feel like it might be this. Will either because liquidity is pretty much sitting here, and this gap that we've had on the 15-minute is already like kind of like nothing's really been down here of late. We've seen liquidity come down to here, but like not down here. So I figure either that, but down here is still like another level that we could possibly see. But honestly, I feel like we're resting in between this here and this here.
Oh, look at that move. It's kind of going for it a little bit.
I'm looking to go for a long pretty soon.
Let's see, short, and then yeah, I mean, damn, I should have. I mean, I'm looking at. I don't see too much. I mean, right here, it might try.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Yeah, that's right on the RTH VWAP. It's a good spot, but I don't know if it wants to go down to test the 21008.
Probably gonna get stopped out here.
Oh, you put your stops in
right below that fair
right
value.
below. Yeah.
Let's see what it does.
Fix it. No, fix it. message. Yeah. Just make it more succinct.
Order
I'm
filled.
gonna just take that little quick scout. Take the 268 because I feel like it's gonna. That's a bearish for value gap right here. I don't know if it's gonna respect this one that we've already went into on the 1 minute, or it's gonna
Yeah.
come back down to this last one down here. So I'm gonna really wait and see what it does. I just took a quick scalp on that one.
I
Almost
mean,
got
that was a
there.
good move. It bounced right on the RTH. I don't know if you used the RTH VWAP, but it had like a nice little bounce there.
Excuse me.
But I think it might. I think it wants to go down a little more. It's just
Yeah.
that I have no position right now because I'm probably just gonna wait till 12.
For you. I like to trade before FOMC news comes out because I just feel like
Yeah.
there's just so much stuff that's gonna happen.
Right.
And I don't want to put myself in that scenario of just being. So yeah, I would have made my money.
Yeah, you would have got it. It would have went straight to.
Yep. I
Oh
would've
yeah.
been-
Yeah, when the momentum's up, man.
That would have been my move.
No point in fading it, right?
Nope. I felt like I wasn't either gonna get stopped out there or whatever it may be. I just didn't want to put myself in that situation of losing profit. But that would have been perfect. Boom. That would have been my money.
Oh, that would have been a nice move, bro.
I would have been done for the day right there with just 2 cons.
Yeah, that's a crazy move. This thing wants to go up. Like the point of the story, it wants to go up. You know.
Yeah. So, lesson learned. Should have stayed, but all good. I read it perfectly. That's what happens to me a lot. I can read some shit right and then just get talk myself. Not really I could talk myself out of a trade or talk myself out of the profit that I need. But I can see certain moves. I'm like, okay, this is the trade that I'm looking for. Boom. Will it happen? If so, then
Right.
yeah. But that was actually on my 5 minute, wasn't that? That was my 5 minute. Yeah. Damn. Okay. So that just got disrespected. I can take that off. And that trade was perfect. I'll just next time really trust into that process. Yeah, that would have been done for the day right there. But we might get another chance to go long again. I feel like we'll probably just have it come back down. Either I wouldn't say this fair value gap. Probably it will come down in between. It'll probably form another FVG right here. It'll probably this next 1 minute candle will probably form another FVG, and then we'll probably get a subtle move to sweep the highs.
Yeah.
Because again, it does want to go up. We'll just have to wait to see where it wants to come down to. Bottom limit here. Yeah, that's where my limit I want to get to. I'll probably just miss my entry, but let's see.
Order filled.
Okay. Sweep this high. We'll go to boom right there.
Yeah, I think it wants to break out here. Damn. Yeah, those kids are crazy.
I feel like it wants to come down a little bit lower. It might kick me out of this trade, honestly. Yeah,
Stop filled.
that opening on that 1 minute, I didn't like that. It's gonna come down. I'm not gonna pressure that.
Yeah. Yeah, I think if anything, 0.90, same place I think you got it before.
Yeah.
I think for the opening.
Let's just wait on that. It might actually rip here too. That would probably be the long that I would be looking for here. There's still a fair value gap on the 1 minute. Let's see. I'm gonna go here.
Order filled.
See if I can get a little quick scalp. I don't like my entry here, but let's see what it does. Let's see on that 5 minutes. It's wickish. I don't know. I like that, to be honest, up there. 5 minutes ugly. 15-minute. Looks like it might come down. Yeah, it's gonna come down again. Get out of
Stop filled.
Yeah. That's fine. Let's just see what it does. It's still respecting this fair value gap right here. That's the thing. That's why I took that trade, but I didn't think it was gonna come. That wick was gonna really get me like that. But that's all good. It's still respecting that. So I would, if me personally, I would get it back in this trade just to see if I can get along. But I would love for it to come back down here. But I don't know if it's gonna respond the same way as it did when it came down to this level and that fair value gap.
Right.
And then if it does come up, it's gonna probably try and respect this fair value gap on the 1 minute, and then probably come back. I don't know. It's like it's kind of hard to read this because at the same time, it's like it's moving up, which again, like I could have just waited to get back in the entry down here, and then it might just come to this 1 minute fair value gap, and then disrespect this, and then come back down, or it's gonna either. There's not much liquidity up here though. It's just like it's just a big move and then giving back its profits.
Yeah, it's like shaking both sides a bit.
So I'm gonna just wait and see if it comes down to this that we have here and see what it does. If it respects it, cool. I'll go take another long and let it sweep the highs. But we're at equal highs. We kind of pretty much got the equal highs in a sense.
I think it's the 15 like kind of ends a little bit lower than 090 like 091. If it ends like lower than that, I don't know. I think it might go down a little bit.
Yeah. Because we still have liquidity resting down here too. So I personally would just I would have liked to see what it does in this area. Because I honestly would even take a little short here just to take the scalp and see what it does, and then take the ride back down. I'm gonna risk it. I want to see
Order submitted.
if it lets me get in that trade.
Order filled.
Okay. And I want to see it come to here.
Yeah, I'm not sure if they're gonna let this 15-minute candle end red.
Order filled.
Take that. Get my money back. It's gonna come down more a little bit, but there's still this 1 minute fair value gap that's been respecting. That's why I closed out that trade as quick as I did, because of the fact that there's still this 1 minute fair value gap that we've been wicking at, and I think I did a great job on that scalp, but I think it still can come down a little bit more. Maybe just a little bit more.
Yeah, that was a pretty good scalp. I think if the 15 ends red,
We'll see some
still a
downside.
little more downside.
Yeah, I agree. It's respecting both of those 1 minute fair value gaps, which is so weird. But there's not much of a break of the structure too, because I mean, like for me, for the silver bullet, I'm looking for a break of structure so I can, take the trade longer. But I feel like if I would have just stayed on that long, we would have made the money. I definitely would have made my $1,500 or $1,800 I needed for the day. But at the same time, those trades can last a little bit longer to really make more out of it all. I mean, even for whoever trades it, however they trade it. But yeah, you're right. It didn't close green. 15-minute didn't close. I mean, didn't close red. It closed green.
Yeah, so it's probably gonna hold up.
Yeah, it's gonna sweep these highs shortly. But there's not really any like liquidity resting anywhere in particular. I need some water. And then the book map isn't really giving me much either. Sweep those highs now. I was right. High was swept, but let's see how it reacts. Okay. Yep. Okay, that's nice. Patience, patience, patience. 2 good trades, 1 bad trade, but that's just, the bad trade was on me for being, I mean, I wasn't wrong completely, it's just my entry of it was bad. Now I just want to, what was the level that you say for on the 15-minute that it wants to seek to?
No, so since the 15-minute closed above that 111, I think we keep going. But
I mean that high, sorry, that high, the high level. Which one? What's the level for it?
Like 213.
Okay.
So kind of a crazy level, but I think we're gonna just drip there.
Okay, let's go on. Okay, yeah, I respected that one for sure. Let's see that. Where did it go? Boom to this. Oops. Yeah, respected that for sure. That's crazy. That long too would have been great. I just didn't want to rush back-to-back trades like that, but geez, would have been smart if I did. I've been trying to give myself a little bit more time to kind of like analyze things a little bit differently than just rushing into another trade right off the rip. But
right,
that would have been nice, for sure, for sure. 15-minute looks. I need to. I am streaming on YouTube as well. I don't think I have anybody really watching, but excuse me. Just so y'all know. I should put the link. Discord.
Yeah, bro, we're just drifting here. I was able to hold on, babe. So I was able to quickly, I scalped. I'm taking that breakout real quick. Yeah, I agree. You know, if that 15-minute candle ended red, bro, it would have went down a little bit, but I think it wants that 213 before 12 p.m. So it might just like be this slow grind. So yeah, I took it on some of my funded accounts, my funded futures.
Nice. How many funded accounts do you have right now? I know you have what, 3 with you have 3 XFAs or 2 XFAs?
Bro, I'm at like no, I have max XFAs and
Oh
then
shoot. Okay.
yeah, max my funded and yeah, I have a lot of accounts I've been trading.
Let's go.
Yeah, bro. How much do you have to make on that blue sky?
I
'Cause
need
there's-
I need 3 more K. So I need today and tomorrow. I need to make 1,500 for both days, and then it's done. And then what is it? You traded a blue sky more than I have. So after
Yeah.
this, what is that? It's a funded account, then a live account, or is it just straight to live?
Yeah, bro. So Blue Sky changed their rules, man. Here, let me set my stops real quick, and then
I kind of look. I want to take a long here, but I don't know where the liquidity is really at. I want to take a long here, but I should
I
have
think we
probably.
might just trip, bro. For the next hour, like drift up to that 200 area. That's why I'm trying to get it on maybe a top step if I can find an entry.
The 1 minute's giving us this 1 minute fair value gap. I just don't know if it's going to come down more and for the liquidity purposes.
Right.
I just
Okay,
don't
yeah.
see-
So here's the thing with Blue Sky, bro. They changed their rules. So it used to be, you pass the eval, which is the one you're on right now, and there's a 40% consistency, 30 or 40%
30.
consistency with the eval, and then after that, so it's minimum of 4 days, right? So
Mhm.
minimum 4 days to pass the eval.
Order filled.
Rest that. Rest
Just
that.
you feel it? Oh, nice. And so after the eval, you have another minimum 4 days to do like the blue live phase. And once you make the blue live, then you have to wait like, I mean, for me it's been like 3-4 days to get into the brokerage. But they changed it, so you can't take a payout for like more than, I think it's $200-$300 after blue live.
Stop filled.
I'm thinking of getting a Blue Sky because I want some more accounts, or Apex. I don't know. I heard Apex is paying now. Like
Yeah,
paying
I
better.
heard a lot of things. And they're trying to do straight to funded. I saw that video clip that you put in there.
Yeah.
All right, now where are you giving us our entry? I got stopped out, but where are you giving us our entry at?
Yeah, I think we're gonna get another long entry in a little. I'm actually looking for another one right now.
It's respecting that 1 minute fair value gap. So weird. I want to take a long here, but I feel like it's gonna stop me out again. I already
I'm
took.
looking at 135 potentially. If we get there.
Oh,
you
I
know.
see. That's a small one, but yeah, it's a small little bugger.
What you said there?
So you said so from what because I had asked in their, don't tell me this is my long entry that I needed. I'm gonna be pissed. Yeah, it was.
Bro,
Damn.
watch us just rip into 11 a.m.
Order submitted.
I'm gonna FOMO this if it gives me an entry. I'm gonna
I feel
definitely.
that. I might actually FOMO on it, but I got a specific FOMO account, so let me look into that.
Oh, fuck you, Fudgicles. Damn it. Why would you do me like that?
Oh, you didn't get filled?
Nah.
Order canceled.
Ah, damn.
I didn't want to take a market order either, so I was like,
I'm not even lying, bro. I would have smacked the bid on that one.
I did. I pressed bid and it just was like,
Oh, you had a bid?
and it was like, nah, we'll miss you by like 2 points. No, because I had asked about it, and they were like, well, the minimum you can do is 4 days as long as you abide by the consistency 30% consistency rule, which is pretty much 1,800 per day. And I was like, okay. And then and then after that, they say I forget exactly how many days it was, he said, and then it was like you get a $600 the first payout would be $600, and then after that would be unlimited to whatever payout it may be. So I was like, oh, okay. Like, all right. Here comes your level, maybe possibly at 21,135. Looks like it wants to come down to it.
I'm waiting for 11 a.m. See if anything sets up. Not I gotta.
And Euro
I'll
close is
work
about to
out.
happen in about 45 minutes.
Yeah. Yeah, London close. I think is always something crazy happening during London close.
It's usually like a weird reversal. Not really like a huge reversal, but like it's a weird reversal. Like if we're going short like right now, and then we'll get like a long pop out of nowhere.
Yeah. Oh, hold on. Some people at the door.
Go do your thing.
Back.
Okay, you're still respecting this. For some, well, this would be like a bull flag. I'm gonna probably just slap the
Order
bid.
filled.
I'm gonna slap the bid on this, and I'm gonna just hold this to that. Let's see if we can get it. Sweeps the highs, I'll add onto my position. Just so we can get to our price target quicker. Move my stops up to this so I don't lose too much if it does. Don't like what you're doing right now.
Order filled.
Okay, moving to break even. I'm gonna look for here. So don't lose much profit. Cool. If we get to 900 here, maybe 1,000, I'll be cool with this. Moving you up. Don't want to lose much profit again. Let's see if we get $1,000 here. I'm gonna be cool with that. Actually, I don't even need that much.
Order
Check
filled.
that. I missed out on. That's not large. I don't want that. All right, cool. 800. That's a quick little scalp. I kind of want to wait. I don't need to shoot for my. I need another. Honestly, I don't even need to make 1,800. I can just go for 1,500 and be thankful for that. But that's fine. I like that how it's moving. It's kind of respecting that. It's gonna give us. Oddly enough, it's probably gonna come down just a little bit. I need to see. Keep this on the 5 minute. Bring this over. And if it does come down, we still have this fair value gap to really give us a cushion. Which honestly it did. It did respect that, but we might get another chance at that. Would that be 3? Is it down here? Oh, it'd be that one, huh? Yeah, this is a weird one. Let me see. Go with this. All these fair value gaps are just. Everything's been respected. Okay. Excuse me. You wrote in here, my bad. What's up, AJ? How did you learn trading? My bad, bro. All good. I just saw your message. My bad. How did I learn trading? So I first started off. Damn, it just swept that mug. Okay, that was.
Yeah, bro, it swept that high. I had to quickly FOMO in while these guys came
I-
to fix everything. But yeah.
Oh, you're good. I made some money. I'm at 880 right now on the account. But to answer your question, AJ, so I learned trading. I learned how to. I was trading options in 2019, and then at the end of 2019, I learned how to do that. When it came to futures, I learned the ICT. I kind of just started watching videos. I was pretty much like a support and resistance trader for like the longest, and then I learned how to do ICT. I don't know how to do all of ICT. There's like several things that I learned that it stuck out with me that I understood. But I feel like for the trading that I do now, it's more based off of a time period. So I trade the silver bullet. I'm past my time on silver bullet, my time window. But that's when it comes to like, if I didn't hit a price target that I want, I usually try to trade another concept of just, looking for liquidity and looking for fair value gaps and kind of just trying to take a scalp or a trade during that period of time. But I kind of, ICT pretty much made this trading concepts so that you can implement this in your own trading style, so that you don't have to like be based by like just be only based off of ICT. You can still trade however you trade, but like you can implement like fair value gaps or liquidity or SMT or whatever sticks to you. And for me, it was more of the silver bullet, because when I was trading at work, so my window was only an hour for me to really get my trades, and then kind of just go from there, instead of it being trying to shoot for the stars in a sense, or be able to trade longer, because I had somebody looking over my shoulder trying to see what I was doing if it wasn't work related. So I had to figure out what worked for me, and so the silver bullet strategy worked for me the most, because it gave me the time period that I needed to be able to get what I needed, and then get out when I needed to do so. I might take another long right here. Just want to see what it does if it comes back down into this fair value gap again. I'm gonna slap the bid right.
Order submitted.
And I'm
Order filled.
No, I got it. Let's see. So for me, I'm on the Pacific time, so it's 7 to 8 a.m. Oh, okay. Sheesh. I'm gonna get stopped
Stop
out.
filled.
Damn, I didn't like that. I had a chance to really get out. Oh, I was gonna do it again. Fuck. That pool of liquidity just came down so heavy. But there is another fair value gap down here on the 5-minute that I have that would have been what we wanted. Ooh.
Order
Let's
filled.
see what it does. Yeah, I might get my money back that I just lost, my 200 that I just lost. Maybe not. Doesn't look like it. It's gonna stop me out again. I only like to lose like around 200 on my trades, if case may be. I don't like to lose much more than that. I don't like to move my stops away from it as much as a lot of other traders might. I figured if I get my entry, get my pull, boom, then I'll go. But this fair value gap is in the way. I don't like it. Can't see. Once we break out of this, don't come back down here. I need you to go back up. At least get out of this fair value gap for a second. And I hate cheerleading trades, but you know, sometimes you got to.
Stop filled.
All right, 2 bad trades. Let that be. Liquidity's just gripping and gripping. All right, we might actually get this 5-minute though. Yep, here we go. We might get the entry that I needed, and I'm gonna go ahead with this bid.
Order filled.
Put that right there, because it did go into that number you did mention. But it might just pull again, come down. I honestly feel like it's gonna just pull and come down again. Yeah, it's going to. Yep, and that candle there, I don't like. I'm gonna see if I can get to that and just get my ass up out of that trade. I don't want to hold on to this any much longer. Yeah, it's gonna get me. It's gonna get me. Go ahead and kick me out. Go ahead, kick me out. I know it's gonna
Stop
do it.
filled.
Yep. All right, I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna just wait to see. I don't like how it's doing me. Was up 8. Excuse me, I was up 8. Now I'm only up at 2. So that fair value gap just said, peace out, dog. Ooh, I would take a short and then just be able to see if it comes down to this level that we were down here, because liquidity again was resting down here earlier, but that's asking for way too much. And now you want to pop up. Got it. Got it, big dog. Markets have been cooking for me for the past 2 days. I need to learn to manage my risk better. And so how many contracts do you usually trade with? What is your size that you usually trade with? Yeah. Short here would be stupid. Can't do more than 1 on my account. Oh, okay. So you trade with 1 contract. What company are you trading with right now? My fund of futures. What size account is that? Oh, you're already. Wait, are you with the? You have a funded account too. So now this trade wants to happen. The starter. Okay. You did me dirty. You did me dirty. And you did go into that. That's not dirty at all. You did exactly what you were supposed to do. I'm going to look for
Order filled.
long here. Okay. Moving you to that because I don't want to lose too much. Might not be best right there. It still has more room to the upside. I just don't know where this candle wants to go to though. And I haven't seen. Yeah, I don't like that. Actually, move you down. There's a FEG right there. You can come down here, respect it possibly. Let's see. I might add an add-on to my position if it comes down to here. I'm gonna add into 1 though. I don't want to do.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Okay. I'm gonna move this to that, and then see if we can sweep that high again. I'm gonna look for that. I don't want to do a big trade, big price target. Let's see.
Stop filled.
Why? That's the okay. Whatever. There was no whatever. That just doesn't make sense. Oh, what's up? So let's see. Okay, so break construction there. Boom, boom, boom. So we're gonna probably see more downside. I'm gonna just go heavy on the 3 and
Order submitted.
Yeah, bro, you see my message in the chat? I was thinking
Order
Yeah,
filled.
100%. I'm gonna just get my $200 and then just wait if it lets me. Sweep the low and we're good. Sweep this little low on the 1 minute. Yep. I need to go there and then I'm moving you to here. Probably. Almost.
Stop filled.
That's fine. I'm down $12. That was a nice liquidity pool into that to go long. It's just gonna I'll probably look for another short position here on quick scout. Let's see real quick.
Order filled.
Maybe where I want to go short, just to see. I'm gonna just try this straight out because I like this idea to see if it comes back down to this area that we took that big bounce, big move bounce. But like I don't need this trade to really go all the way down here. I just wanted to see if it can sweep this particular wickish low that we had and then go from there. But I honestly might get stopped out again, or I can probably just try to. Okay, I respected that. I'm gonna actually put you up here because I want this thing to move. I want to see this thing move. I'm gonna actually hold this and see if it moves. I'm gonna be patient with myself and see if this actually pans out. If I get stopped out, all right, it's a slap on the wrist. But it is a bullish market, so it's kind of dumb for me to take a short here, like a really believe like we're gonna see like way low downside when we clearly on the 5 minute we've already gone into our bullish fair value gap. How much do I risk per day? I kind of tried to. I don't have a daily risk. If the account has a daily loss limit, then I kind of go towards that, kinda. When I'm funded, I do have a risk. I kind of just go to like maybe 500 to 800 per day, just depending on the size of the account that I have. But since this is a 100K account, this is like, I don't trade these size accounts just because I get nervous a lot of the times. Damn, I should have just took that little quick profit and kind of went on my way. But it honestly just depends. I feel like I need a bigger size account just because of the fact of the daily loss limits. But it's honestly a personal preference. Okay, let's see. It's respecting this, and I don't like it. So move my stop right back up. I'm gonna get stopped out. I'm gonna get stopped out. What is this at? I'm gonna be surprised if this sweeps this area real quick. Okay, hold on. Come on, Bears. Let's see what you guys got. Let's bring home the bacon real quick. I have 500 left on my drawdown. Not gonna lie, I'm so close. I'm getting screwed. Trade micros. Trade micros. That's gonna help you. I think that's what I'm gonna do once I get to the funded stage on here. Is just trade micros because if I'm not mistaken, they might have trailing drawdown on here on Blue Sky. I don't like where I'm at right now. Come back down. Oh, okay. You open again down here. Interesting. I'm gonna move my stop to here. I don't really don't know how I feel about this. I don't like that it's just staying in this area. And it's just been wicking the whole time. I'm just waiting for it to either take it or kick me out. And I feel like it's just gonna kick me out because of all these wicks. Yep, it's gonna kick me out right now. Which I'm fine with. I'd rather it kick me out than me be in the straight still and deal with this. Because there's liquidity resting up here as well, so.
Stop filled.
Not much liquidity, but it's liquidity up there. And now the move wants to come down. I'm gonna be pissed. At least I'm keeping my wrist really, really small, because there's times when I've been up like I was in the morning, like I was earlier, and then take stupid minimal trades and then just getting dogged on. I probably should just kept my stop to where it was. I probably would have been fine with where I was at. But I'm actually at the, damn, I really want to get back into this. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna risk this.
Order submitted. Order filled.
I was trying to adjust my entry, but all right, it is what it is. I'm gonna get stopped out here. Why don't you not
Stop
move?
filled.
Why don't you not move? Okay, so we're getting wigged here. Boom, 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 boom. I need my 15-minute. I don't know. I keep looking at my 5 like that. That's just on me. That's not really tripping. Boom. It still wants to come down, but it's still like in an area that wants to pop too. So it's kind of weird. That's just unethical on my part. But you're gonna go up to this fair value gap. I can dig that. I don't see why not.
Order submitted.
And you're already up in
Order
there.
filled.
I just want to get to that scalp there.
Stop filled.
Oh, so we're down $900. There we go. That's what happens. I didn't mean to go with 3 contracts. I was kind of just trying to go to 1, but I accidentally clicked up when I was trying to do that. But that's what happens. Because I didn't trust the initial entry that I was at, because I felt like we were going to get a little pullback then go, but that's just on me. We'll just have to wait, sit in our hands and play it safe. Again, choppy market. We have 11 minutes until Euro close, and then we'll probably get another move. But what sucks, earlier I had a trade plan that I didn't stick to. Well, the trade went in my favor, but I didn't hold on to where my level that I needed it to be, and that's just on me. And I would have been done for the morning way long time ago. I wouldn't be dealing with what I'm doing now, especially with where I'm at on my balance. I don't know how it says I'm only down 700 here, but down 900 here, so that's kind of weird. But again, we're probably gonna get the move that I've been looking for the short, but it's still respecting this fair value gap, which is annoying. So Let me just see before I look at to take another trade. It's just been doing that. Okay. Again, every single. And honestly, that's just on me being impatient with myself. And that's okay. I mean, we can definitely get out of this hole. There's a fair value gap here that hasn't really even been tested yet. So it's kind of just like, let me go with the 1. Let me see what I can do here.
Order submitted.
That should be a fill. Okay.
Order filled.
Okay. And as long as we can get like $100, I can get us out of that. Oops.
Stop filled.
I think we only did 1. You went in my fair value gap, didn't you? You did. It's okay.
Order submitted.
No, right here. That's fine. Damn it. I keep messing up. Let's see. It's okay. And the move actually happened. That sucks. I'm not gonna even.
Order canceled.
Not even gonna bother that. Let's just wait. All these wicks. It's just so weird that it's like it keeps wicking here, but nothing pops up or nothing goes below. So either it comes to this fair value gap and respects it and bounce like it did here, but actually go. Or we're just gonna get disrespected here and then see some downside. Like I would love to like put in an limit order here to see if it's gonna bounce again. But I've noticed times that I've done that, it's either gone below here and then came back, or it's just gonna keep coming down. So I wanna take a bid order so bad, but it looked like that, exactly that. And it can go lower. But again, on this 5-minute or 15-minute, there's a fair value gap here that it's gonna go to. So I should probably just buy a bid order and then just say F it. But again, it's just that nervousness of like, we're already down. I just turned off. That's probably my controller that just turned off.
Order submitted.
Ah, down here, stupid. Yeah, there goes my trade.
Order canceled.
And I thought I clicked it in time, but it didn't. And there goes the move. It got into here a little bit, and then it was here settling, and I was trying to get it right where before it popped out of the fair value gap, but you know, crap happens. That would have been a nice little $300, but and it's just gonna go. Oh, I don't like where that candle opened. I don't like that at all. Trading 101, don't trade like the person that you watch on streams. I used to do that on Top Step. I used to watch them and see like what quote unquote the good traders were doing. And aren't you so wrong? Sweep that high, come back down. Yep.
Order filled.
I just want to get into here because that's where it's gonna go to. Right there. Actually, I don't like where this is at because it can come down to this fair value gap. unless you push for it, you push for it. If you don't push for it, you don't. But I'm just looking for like a nice little 10-point move. Where are we at right now? Yeah, I don't like it. That's gonna stop me out. Cause the fair value gap is right in between here. Actually, no, it's not. I'm tripping. I'm over looking at that by a whole lot, by a whole huge margin.
Order filled.
I don't like it. I don't want it. It's too minimal. I need to look at the big picture. Where's my hourly at? What is Bookmap showing me to? Oh, it's a delayed. Never mind. What am I even looking at Bookmap for? It's delayed. So these little small like confluences of just pretty much, in my opinion, this is just consolidation. A lot of consolidating. Like we had, I don't think there's really like a seek and destroy. I'm down 1,000 down here on the red. If you can, oh, can you see it on here? I don't know if you can or not. On the bottom right. It says I'm only down 800 and something, which is weird because this usually is higher than this. And that goes by that, but I'm down by this, so. Oh, you're all good. So usually on the gross realized, it's higher than the total P&L, and they just go based off of the total P&L, but somehow the total P&L or the gross P&L is lower than the total P&L, so. But these little moves right here is kind of just the annoying part, like, we're not getting anything that we're wanting. Like, I think that's what I messed up on majority of this trading session right now, is that these moves right here in this vicinity, I've tried to take like little plays on, and nothing has really moved. Like, it's been wickish, and that's just my fault for being impatient with myself on these trades. Like, I could go ahead and be like, hey, well, we're in a fair value gap here. I can go and try to take longs, but every time it's gone in there, I tried to take a long, didn't get my order filled, and then I chased and then just getting screwed. But it hasn't really, like, now it's gone into this fair value gap on the 1 minute, which, you know, again, if I try to take a long here, I'm gonna get smoked. Watch. And it's just wicks. It's like no strong moves, but that's just me being impatient with just like, hey, I could still be either in profit or I could have been flat on my account right now and still being able to benefit from it. But I feel like it wants to come up to this 1 minute. I just don't know how it wants to respond to that 1 minute fair value gap. And on the 5 minute, it's just like, I'm gonna take a short. I don't even care anymore. I'm gonna just take a short.
Order filled.
I'm gonna take a short, and I'm gonna just move my stop to here just to be that person. If I can get $100 on this trade, I'll be happy with that. Just to get a little bit out of the rut. I'm gonna move, right there, and then let's see. There we go. I'm gonna look for something smaller. I don't want to go for anything crazy. Can I get a couple 100 and something? Like, what is this move? See, this is what I mean. These little moves are just the annoying part. These moves are annoying. Let me get stopped out here. Go ahead and wick me. Go ahead, wick it. Wick it, go ahead. Wick me, please. Oh, let's come down. Just wick me. I'm tired of being in this trade. Okay. Wick me. Was up like 200. Shit happens, my brother. That's what's the sad part about it. Okay. I need like 100 and something here. Go ahead and come down. I hate this. I'm moving you to here. Go ahead. These wicks are just so horrible. I need to get out of this trade. Give me some profit here, please.
Stop filled.
Yeah, I can't do that. That's just annoying. They got railed. Ooh. See, okay, so this is where I would have been like, hey, I'm going to take my short because it's in a fair value gap area that I particularly want. But again, like, it's just based off of impatience on my end. It's going to sweep that. It's going to pop that little area. Yep.
Order filled.
I wanted it lower. I mean higher, sorry. I wanted it up here. Right there. Let's see what it does. But these wicks are just so horrible to be in. Okay, now we have Euro close. This is probably why we're getting this little move here. That's why that's my bad. I didn't look at the time that we were at. We just had Euro close a minute ago. So okay, let's see. It's respected that. It's gonna probably kick me out again.
Stop filled.
Yeah, all right, I need to sit on my hands for a while. Sit on my hands for a while. Slap on the wrist, you guys. Slap on the wrist. That's what happens. Oh. Slap on the wrist. I don't know why that chart didn't show up either. We're just going up, and that's just, again, I'm just scalping so that I can get some profits back to take the trade that I really want. Like I want longs, but there wasn't really confirmation that was giving me longs to begin with on my areas other than the 15 minute. But I just been taking super losses just because of all this, all this little choppiness I was trying to take trades on, and that was just not going in my favor at all. So lesson learned.
Yeah, I had the same issue. I was just like, you know what? Let me just stop looking for shorts right now, because dude, the direction, it just wants to go up, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes it's just like, whatever, forget the PA, whatever, it just wants to go up. But
100%.
I agree. I'm thinking of short, but I'm just sitting on my hands for a bit.
I took stupid trades. That's just on me. I mean, whoever watches this would be like, man, this dude don't know what he's doing. Like, nah, dude, it's just, it's like like there's little confirmations telling you like, hey, there's a long here. Cool. Okay, we'll take the long, but it's not going anywhere. Like, yeah, I can hold the trade for X amount of time, but it's not really doing anything, and I'll get stopped out. Or I'll take a short because it's like, hey, this is an area that's just rejecting at continuously. Let me take a short here, and like nothing happens. I'm just getting wicked. Like here, it's like, okay, we can look at like little longs, but there's not really much. Okay, my daily loss limit is 2K, so I definitely have enough room to save myself. Just, I have to do one contract, and then I just need to sit on my hands too, but I don't know if it wants to. We're on the 15-minute we're at equal highs. So in my mind, like on a regular day, this would be an area where I would look for shorts because we're at equal highs. Equal highs, unless we sweep the equal highs, but there's not really like
Order filled.
much going on. Like, I feel like liquidity wants to come down here the most, than it wants to be up there. Like, I feel like we'll get the pullback that we need to come down here for liquidity and then bounce and sweep that high like it's nothing. But like, that move right there would have been perfect, but it's just like it doesn't hold. Okay. Like, it doesn't hold at all. Yeah.
Order filled.
I think my cousin's calling me. Oh wow, I almost got stopped out right there. I'm about to again though. Let's see if this actually does go in our favor for once. Come on. Nah, I get
Stop
that.
filled.
Oh, that's fine. Ay, ay, ay. All right. FOMC's in 2.5 hours, right? Ew, look at this open. Yeah, it's annoying. It goes over, yeah. It keeps hitting stop loss every time I enter. Yeah, same. See, look at that. And now it's gonna come down to what I need it to be. It's gonna grab that liquidity. It's gonna be like, hey, go ahead and get in one more time. Watch what's gonna happen. I'm like, if I get in here, it's gonna pop up to here again. But that just means to be patient, and I'm not being patient with myself. I'm not being patient with the market. No, it's gonna sweep this. It's just gonna go up. It's gonna sweep this high. Go ahead and sweep the high. Let's see what you do. Let's see what you react as. Let's close this. I can't see anything. I do need my trading view up. What am I doing? Let me open that back up. Okay, we get New York highs. Kinda. Do we? Yeah, it did. Nope, it didn't actually. Did it? No, it didn't.
Order filled.
Give me $200 please, and I'm closing this trade.
Order filled.
I'll take that quick scalp. It didn't really do much, but whatever. I gotta scalp like a idiot, but it is what it is. I don't like that at all. I hate scalping like that. So my last, I think, so the first day on my live stream, or my recap live stream, I had talked about that I had took too many trades, way too many trades. Too many trades on my liking, and it showed. Like, there was a lot of me chasing after things or trying to scalp small things, and it was just unbearable to look at all my entries and exits. And same thing for today. Like, today, I should have been done a long time ago, and that's just something that I'm gonna have to just take it on the chin. Even if we take a loss today and we take a deficit of, like, if we can cut some of this deficit in half, I'll be thankful for that. But you know, I'm still mad at myself that the fact that I took way too many trades, and I'm not gonna be happy. Even if I come out of this in profit, even if I come out in profit like $100, $200, I'm gonna be so mad at myself because of the fact that how I traded today. And days like that is like something that you have to take a step back and realize, hey, you know, you did this and this, and you broke rules. You weren't patient with yourself, you broke your rules. This money is probably like, you know, it wouldn't be as great of a feeling as it is if you were actually took less amount of trades, waited for your setups, you know, followed your rules and criteria that you have, instead of it just being like, hey, I'm taking trade. I need to chase whatever it may be. But. So it swept it, not by a whole lot though.
Order submitted.
I'm gonna move you up just a tad right there. Oh, okay, feel me?
Order filled.
Okay, and then let's look for another pool. I'm just gonna be trying to shoot for $150 and more for profit. If we can get 300 and some change here, this will be great. I'm gonna go downstairs and eat. I'll see you tomorrow. Hopefully I'm joining. Yeah, for sure, bro. I appreciate you. Have a good rest of your day, bro. Peace and love, my brother. Okay. I'm just looking for here.
Yeah, scalping shorts during this, man, it's just not been the way. It's been annoying.
Oh, 100%, man.
I've been trying to scalp some shorts in this. I mean, it sets up, like the play sets up, but you know, when the market's just trying to do this directional thing, it's just like there's no way.
Come on, give me my.
And it's always easy to like look in. It's always easy to look in hindsight and be like, yeah, should have just went long. But if your setup that works for you, that makes you money every day, is saying short, you know, you can't. It's hard to just fade that, you know.
100%. This at all. Just come back down. Let me get up out of this shit because I'm gonna get swept right now.
Yeah, I'm gonna take one more and then I'm just probably gonna wait for FOMC.
Yeah, for real. And I was like, you know how I mentioned before, I was like, we'll probably get in an area where we can take a huge long before FOMC happens, but it's just like everything is still going up. Like, I'm waiting for these pullbacks to happen because it's like, hey, we get a pullback, we're in an area where, you know, buyers want to get in and be like, hey, we're here, let's show out.
Right.
Like, you know what I mean?
Right.
This is the shirt that I needed, but I need you to come down more, please. I just need $200, bro. That's all I'm asking. It's gonna pop on me too. Yep. You're a bitch for that. I hate that. Yeah, GG's on me. some profits. Come on down. Come back down. Thank you. Come on. Come on, sellers. Bring this puppy down a little bit more. So I can go play some video games and try to chill until FOMC comes out. Get my mind off of this. It's gonna kick me out. Alright, GG's.
Stop filled.
GG's, it didn't want to give me what I needed. That's annoying. Absolutely annoying.
Yeah, it's basically just saying it doesn't want to go down.
Yeah. And I can't see where liquidity, well, I mean, liquidity is, I've already been touched twice and then in the 15 minute and it's already ripped.
Yeah.
And we're just going to consolidate here. We're gradually going up like you mentioned before, but like we barely swept the high. Like it wasn't even like a huge sweep. It was like a small sweep.
Order submitted.
I'm chasing
Order
this.
filled.
Give me some. Give me some here.
Order filled.
Alright, whatever. It's gonna come down now. Yeah, it's coming down now. F you. I'm gonna go with one contract. I'm chasing this.
Order submitted.
I didn't want it from there, bro. I wanted it right there.
Order filled.
I'm only going with one contract. I'm not gonna do too much on myself like that. I'll lose $100 if I get stopped out, or I can make $100, which is what I'm hoping for. And it looks like I'm just gonna lose $100. What have you been playing lately? Have you been gaming at all?
Nah, not really, man. I was trying to play the new Fortnite season, but I haven't been able to. What are you playing?
Stop filled.
Ew, I fucking hate
Oh
this
my
market.
god, did you see that?
I hate this
Yo,
market.
that is crazy.
There's nothing that's not even
Yeah,
a fair
that-
value gap anywhere in there. What is going on? What
This
the?
move was just like yeah, that's a crazy.
Oh my
that's a crazy
gosh,
position.
I hate that. Now it's gonna sweep it, but it's gonna still go. Like, watch.
Yeah, I think it just wants to go to that 200 area and just be like, that's it. And I think it wants it before 12, so it's like, no mercy.
Order filled.
Yeah, that 200 area.
I'm gonna get stopped out again probably and just take the long. Yeah, I have only been playing I've been playing Halo.
Halo? Which Halo?
Infinite.
Okay. That's the latest one?
Yeah, they got a new season and shit that just popped out, which is pretty cool. I downloaded Forza Horizon and the Spider-Man game. I have like 500 and something games that I have on my Steam account, but it's because a buddy of mine that I share, he gave me like a family share thing on Steam,
Yeah.
so I just been using that.
Stop filled.
Yeah, I just wanted to take a small loss on that. Put myself in more BS.
Yeah, I think they're just gonna grind it up, go to 213, that 213 area, because I think they need it before 12 p.m. Let me see where it's at exactly.
Damn.
Looks like
This,
215.75. So I wonder if they try to get it there before 12.
Order submitted. Order filled.
let's see. Get my $70 back.
Yeah, I think they're gonna just try to grind it up, but who knows?
Let's see my 15-minute. Where's that level at? Uh-huh. Yeah, that's up there. So that level was at 21,216. Let's check that palette. So yeah, that's what we want to see.
Order filled.
I'll take that. Small little scalp for $120. And just wait. I'm gonna just wait, because it might come down. Filling this fair value gap to grab some liquidity and shoot up again on the 1 minute. That's a crazy move though. That pissed me off, not gonna lie. That was a nice little 30-point move. But 15 minutes. It's going to it though. It's really close. Oh, I forgot to sign in on here. Oops. That was my bad. We got New York highs now. New York highs. Looks like we might get a chance at another re-entry going long. I don't know where exactly it's giving me, but
Order submitted.
I'm looking for a long at 21,187. There's like a small little entry there. We can get that filled and pop. Now, when you at that level at the 21,216 up there, when it's testing that previous high, do you think it's going to sweep it or reject it?
Yeah, I think the stuff I looked at earlier, it's gonna at least I think we're gonna get a little bit of a sweep, but a little bit of a sweep. So I think it's heading toward it, but the thing is, it only has like 1 minute, so I don't know if we can make it. If it doesn't make it in this 1 minute, it probably makes it in the next candle or in the next 15 minutes. But it's getting real close.
Yeah.
Getting real close.
Order canceled.
Yeah, my entry didn't want to go. That's fine. Wasn't meant to be.
It'll probably die out a little bit before 12 if it doesn't get to 200, and then it's probably gonna tap it after.
What was that entry I was looking for? Where's that?
And then it did a quick little tap down, and then hold on, maybe this is it.
You gonna look for an entry here for a long?
Oh no, I'm long. I'm long from where's my entry? I'm long from 79.
Oh damn.
Yeah, 79.25, but I was hoping to get the 214. I don't know if we'll get that in time. If not, I'm probably just gonna go work out till wait for FOMC. Okay, 12 p.m. Let's see what happens.
I'm gonna look for an entry to go along with you.
Yeah. Hopefully it doesn't start dying out too quick. Because 12 p.m. is a potential reversal for this move today.
Order filled.
Oh shit. My entry was not where I wanted it to be. I wanted it lower, but alright. I need a movie up here.
For the combine, no, not really. For the combine, I think you're good. Maybe do a stop at like negative 300 or something. That might hit. Do negative 400. Unless it reverses here, it's probably gonna hit. Did you make what you needed to make? You gotta get back in then, babe. Not yet.
It's gonna sweep me.
Stop filled.
This is liquidity down here. This is what we're looking for. Like this. I want to go long right here, to be honest, but I feel like there's still more.
Yeah, I don't know if the move is still valid. I gotta recalculate. Sucks that once it hit 12, that was the move I wanted, but
Order filled.
I'm gonna go for it. I'm gonna be risky. I think this is the entry that I was looking for beforehand, but it doesn't look like it's a valid. It doesn't look strong enough, so I'm gonna move my stop up just a little bit so I don't lose as much as I wanted to lose.
babe, get ready to go short. Yeah, I think it's going the other way, bro. So 1-9. Yeah, it's probably gonna start.
GG's today.
Probably gonna roll over here.
Yeah, it looks like it wants to. I'm about to get
Stop
down.
filled.
Yeah, it's rolling over. If it rolls over, it's gonna give us a big pushback.
I'm gonna take, I gave back everything that I needed to. Oh, you know what? There's that. It's gonna go to here probably.
Wrong account, babe. That was the wrong account. I thought it was your phone, babe.
Order submitted.
I need to take that.
Order canceled. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Stop filled. Order filled.
You're still in the trade. You're still in.
Stop filled. Order filled.
Hmm? You have stops in. No, you don't need limit sells, babe. You're in a short. You need limit buys or stop buys. Yo, Judah, does your girl trade? Am I muted? Can you hear me? Manage that one.
Stop filled.
Hold on.
Order submitted.
Good. Yep. Yeah, I'm gonna head out. I'm gonna go trade. Not trade. I'm gonna go work out.
For sure, bro. I'm probably just gonna
Alright.
call it as well and wait till later.
2 p.m.
Yeah, for real.
All right.
All right, bro.
See you in a
Peace. Yes, sir. All right, chat. Horrible trading session on my part, but it is what it is. I will be back on later. I'm gonna probably take a break for a while and see how I feel, and then come back and trade FOMC.
Order filled.
Peace out, y'all. Have a good one.